Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing us makeup without foundation. I don't use foundation. It doesn't look good on me. So if you want to look glowing, shiny without foundation, simply go and get what? Vitamin C syrup. I use it as my makeup. Once I finish taking my bath, I apply my lotion. Then the next is to use my syrup on my face. Go and get one if you've not tried. To protect your skin from the sun, give you that natural glowing look. Wow, you see how I'm looking? I'm ready to go for the day. Try this, try it, So I'm shining. Manage this video. No, there's no light, we don't have light. I'm using torchlight. This you're seeing is torchlight. I'm surprised it didn't come out like this. Wow, it's good. See you.